In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom link in Calendly. This is a handy process if you need to update your virtual meeting details and ensure that your scheduling remains seamless and up to date. We'll guide you through the steps, providing tips and insights to make it as straightforward as possible. Let's begin by navigating to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, you'll find a variety of options that help you manage your events and settings. Focus your attention on the left side corner of the screen, where you'll see a menu labeled Integrations and Apps. This is your gateway to connecting Calendly with many other services, including Zoom. After clicking on Integrations and Apps, scroll through until you locate the Zoom icon. You'll want to select this to proceed with updating your link. Zoom is a crucial tool for hosting virtual meetings, so it's essential to ensure you have your correct account linked to Calendly. Now, before adding a new Zoom account, we need to disconnect the existing one. This may sound a bit intimidating, but it's an easy process. Just click on the option to disconnect your Zoom account. You'll likely be asked to confirm this action. Click Disconnect to proceed. This step ensures that all previous connections are removed, making way for the new details you're going to input. Once the disconnection is confirmed, it's time to set up your new Zoom account. This will involve reconnecting to Zoom and updating your Zoom link in Calendly. To do this, you can either choose Connect Zoom for My Organization if you're managing the account on behalf of a group, or Connect Zoom for Myself if you're updating your personal settings. Selecting the appropriate option ensures that your account is linked accurately and functions correctly for your scheduling needs. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Zoom link within Calendly. This small change will make sure that all your upcoming sessions are connected to the right virtual meeting room, preventing any mix-ups or confusion for yourself and your attendees. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, remember that Calendly's Support and Resource Center is just a click away, offering more detailed guides and troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.